Watch this.
好吧，就这么干。
Sunshine on the roof, feeling so cool, singing my song. What a beautiful day.
和你在一起，时间都变慢了。
我也是。
This video was made with just one AI. Image generation, voice cloning, voice design, video generation, all in one package. And the amazing part is most AI tools that are being paid for, you can get it for free on this platform that I'm about to share with you. All the worries you've been going through, jumping from one application to the other one and not getting super realistic video, it's gone. I am here to drop the amazing information about how to solve this problem. Just click on the video, subscribe, watch the video to the end. Don't skip any part so you don't get it twisted. All right, let's go into this video. Head over to this amazing website with the name thankyouai. I'll be dropping the link on the comment section. When you come over to this website, from this interface, you will see we have agent, image gen, video gen, audio generation. Okay, on this video gen here, we'll click on the description space here and say generates me a video of a young Gen Z trying to figure out life in America. Down here you will see this plus sign. This plus sign you can upload from your device. Okay, we don't want to upload from device. By the 7 number here you are seeing here shows you the aspect ratio and duration. So we are working on 768p and 6 seconds for the tutorial purpose. All right, down here where you see x1, it shows you how many video it can generate. If you click on it, you see generation count. So here I want to generate just one for the purpose of this tutorial. Over here, this icon here, you see that you can select platform you want. Do you want to work with clean 0.34K, clean 03 Pro, clean 03 standard, and so on? And one of the amazing features this site has is you can see how many coin that you will use on any platform you select. You see 40, 14, 12, 11, 20, 20 thereabouts. So for the tutorial purpose here, we'll be working with Sedence 1.5 Pro, which has 4 coins, which will consume 4 coin. All right, we'll click on it. Over here you see this has changed to 6 coins. All right, earlier it was more than 6 coins. So let me say we are using clean 034K. You see the 40 coin by the side. You click on it, you see 40 coins here. No, we have 100 coin already, so I want to maximize and plan my production very well. All right, so we'll move back to Sedence 1.5 Pro. Click on Sedence 1.5 Pro. We have 6 coins, so you click for it to generate. On this site you can do multiple tasks at the same time. As this is generating now, it's on queue, it's generating. You can come on this 3 button by the left side top beside the T. You can click on it and select another thing you want to do. You want to generate image, you want to generate audio, you want to generate work with agents. So let me go to image generation. You have option type of image to generate. So right here, for the tutorial purpose, I'll be working with image generation. All right, so on this image generation, I can say give me image of African kids playing by the river. Okay, you can access this site from mobile phone or your desktop. All right, and here it automatically select aspect ratio. Over here you see this is giving us 1.1. no, I want to work with 16:9, 1K high resolution. Let me go for low resolution. You can get high resolution, you can get 4K, you can get 2K. So for the tutorial purpose, let me leave it at high resolution. Okay, so we can see how amazing this site is. The image and video generation from this site is super better than Grok AI. Over here you see this ChatGPT icon here and the 33 coins. So right here we want to change that because we are working on budget. So the first one is 33 coin. Nano Banana gives us 10 coin. Nano Banana Pro, that's 10 coin. Nano Banana 2, 8 coins. All right, and Nano Banana only gives us 6 coin. So which will you love to go for? Let me work with Nano Banana Pro. All right, you click on Nano Banana Pro and click on generate. Remember we had other command we gave earlier, video generation. So let's go back and check for our job. All right, it's ready. So what do? We can play on the first command we gave. Let's see how it appears. Amazing. This is awesome. This is awesome. So we can download our video. And down here you see prompts. It gave you the prompts that it generate the video with. So you can as well copy this prompt, use it to generate the video. This is super good. See the quality, and this is on 1K, not 4K. You see the quality of the video. So we'll save to file. I am working with a mobile phone. You can easily do this on your mobile phone or your desktop. This is awesome.
好吧，就这么干。
Super clean. So we'll go back and check the other tasks we gave. You can carry out two different. You can't do this on Grok AI. You can't do this in most, even Meta AI, most AI generating and image generation. You can't do this. See what this one gave us. Kids playing around river. This is super good. You see how it looks on 1K. So imagine what this will give you on 4K resolution. And down here you have the prompts to generate the same. You save this, so you can save it, use it to do other things. So you see, this is the prompts that gave you this, and this is the settings. Nano Banana Pro, text to image, 16:9, 1K, created just now. This is amazing. Let me know on the comment section if you'll be trying out this. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumbs up. Drop your thoughts on the comment section. Tell me the next video you want me to generate, the next application or tutorial you want me to carry out for you. right now we have used 30 coin, we have 70 left. So you can play around with the website and enjoy how it works. So right here we have the agents. Let me tell the agent to give me a video of two lovers. Okay, you see this, John? I want to show you something. Stick with me. Give a video of two lovers. Let me show you something. Stick with me, okay? I want you to see, I want to prove to you that this is amazing and it works better than Grok AI and other video generating sites out there. It's coming up. Text to video running. Text to video in progress. So a few seconds you have this done. Like I always said, you can move around while this is coming. You can do multiple tasks at the same time. While this is coming up, you can go back and do other things. Come back and get a result of your prompts. So let's go back to image. Here, let's say image. Let's go back to image. Let's generate something cool. Generate a funny looking image of a young African man. Okay, we have 70 coin left, so I will go down to Nano Banana 2. All right, Nano Banana 2. We aspect ratio, we click on 16:9 for YouTube frame. Okay, 16:9, 1K resolution. So we are good with this. We click on generate. Remember, a video is generating the other corner. This is coming up right now. We'll go back and check our agents. That is where I asked for romantic videos. Okay, it's still running. We'll move back to our last image prompt that I gave is generating. This is super good. I don't know why you have not subscribed to the channel. For my returning subscribers, I appreciate you guys' love and support. My new subscribers, you are welcome to the family. Click on the bell notification so you don't miss out any amazing video. You'll be the first to know when I post another fresh educating video. Okay, let's go back and check what we have here. You see how I multitask on this. You come over here, you see what you are doing here, move over there. You see this is ready while we have given prompt to another job to be done. Oh my god, this is good.
和你在一起，时间都变慢了。
Full screen.
我也是。
You see how it
和
looks?
你在一起，时间都变慢了。
This is awesome.
我也是。
Lip sync is super good. You click on this download button to have it download on your phone. To have it on your mobile phone. You can clone your voice. I have a video where I made step-by-step tutorial of Minimax and Hello AI, how you can clone your voice, use your voice to create amazing story, and you will stand out. You will not sound like robots. I will leave the link on the description box. You can check it out. Learn how to clone your voice. You can clone 3 different voices, which can be very good on dialogue videos. So you can have different amazing voice. You will not sound like AI, it will not sound robotic at all. This will make you stand out from the crowd, and you won't have issues with inauthentic content which is flying all over YouTube today. So you see, funny looking African young man, you see, oh my god, this is awesome. I am saving this immediately. Let me know your thoughts about this, okay, on the comment section. Feel free to connect with anyone that dropped comments on the comment section. All right, you see, I still have 60 seconds, so this can help you play around, carry out your gigs online, have multitask jobs done at the same time. All right, guys, remember, I remain your Anthony Olu, your #1 AI shop plug on YouTube. Okay, see you guys on my next video. Cheers.